Okay, so this is the new Navy Tac Wet Suit from Phantom Rain, and we've got some rain today, so I thought I'd take advantage of it and kind of get some close-up of the new wetsuit and the new props. I've talked about how they're not so silent, but that the frequency is a lot nicer, so it's so much easier to film on video with the drone. But it is raining pretty hard, and everything looks really good. Everything is sealed up nice. There's no water that's going to get into the battery. You're going to see the water start to puddle up right here. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to see it or not. But that's good because you don't want that water inside the battery. Because what happens is, if you don't have a wetsuit, the water goes inside the battery and sits on top of it. And then when the drone tilts, the water falls back. So you don't want that happening, because once it gets to the connector, your drone's going to fall out of the sky. So I'm going to go ahead and film this a little bit longer. And see how we do. Right now it's holding position really well. And the rain is coming down pretty steady. And I'm going to hand over the camera. I'm going to fly the drone out a little bit. So when I take off during the rain, I'm going to turn this around. I have my camera at about a 45-degree angle. So that starts me off with a really good shot in the rain until maybe I get a raindrop. And then once I get a raindrop, I usually use the C2 key, which you can set to shake the camera up and down real quick. And then that'll shake off any drops that you might have. So I'm just going to go ahead and spin it around a little bit. It's definitely looking wet. The rain is coming down harder. The wind is picking up a little bit. And we're getting more of the storm I was hoping for, but not the clouds I was looking for. So it is handling the wind just fine. I'll go ahead and start recording, although I'm not doing much. Right now we're just hanging out in the rain. I'm going to fly it out just a little bit here, see if we can catch it.
I've got drops on the thing.
What was that?
I have drops in the lens. There's drops.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and bring it back. And it's looking great. So it is so nice to be able to fly in different rain conditions. And if we had some really good clouds and some lightning and some thunder, it would be a great adventure.